Question 6. Here, a straight line is drawn with log y versus x graph. This line passes through the point A whose coordinate is 5, 3 and point B whose coordinate is 15, 5. In the first part of the question, we need to express log y in terms of x. Let's begin. Using the given coordinates of A and B, we need to find the gradient of the straight line AB. So, gradient of the line AB is 5 minus 3 over 15 minus 5. So, it gives us 2 over 10, that is 1 over 5. So, now we need to find the equation of the straight line. Using the formula of y minus y1 equals to m times x minus x1, but here we don't have y, we have log y. So we have to write log y minus y1 equals to m times x minus x1. And let's take the coordinate 5, 3. So now equation of the line can be written as log y minus 3 equals to 1 over 5 times x minus 5. Okay, let's take the minus 3 on the other side of the equation. So log y equals to 1 over 5 times x. 1 over 5 and 5 is minus 1, so plus 3. So we can write log y equals to 1 over 5x plus 2. So we have expressed log y in terms of x. So now let's move on to the next part of the question. Here we have to show that y in the form of a times 10 to the power bx, where a and b are value to be found. Let's start from where we finished the first part of the question. So we will write first log y equals to 1 over 5 times x plus 2. So let's write log y equals to 1 over 5. Let's 1 over 5 times x plus 2. This log y is 10 base log, so in the next line we can write y equals to 10 to the power 1 inside the bracket 1 over 5 times x plus 2 bracket close. So this can be broken down, the powers can be broken down into multiplying factor. So we can write y equals to 10 to the power 1 over 5x times 10 squared. Now 10 squared is 100, so we can write in the next line y equals to 100 times inside the bracket 10 to the power 1 over 5 times x bracket close. So we have expressed y in the form of a times 10 to the power bx, where a equals to 100 and b equals to 1 over 5. So we have finished question number 6. Now let's move on to the next question, that is question number 7.